Hello everyone, I am Athira. I am a student of English Care. Today I am going to talk about the Statue of Unity. The Statue of Unity is the statue of Iron Man of India, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. It is located in the Gujarat state of India, facing to the Sardar Sarovar Dam. The Statue of Unity is globally recognized as the world's tallest statue. The statue was inaugurated on 31st October 2018 by the Prime Minister of India. The project was announced by Narendra Modi on 7th October 2010 when he was the Chief Minister of Gujarat. The Statue of Unity, built with a cost of about 2,989 crore, approximately 3,000 workers and 300 engineers were employed in the project to finalize. The statue was made with copper, with bronze cladding and frame of steel, which is strengthened by concrete and brass coating. It took almost 4 years to be completely sculptured. The sculpture was designed by Padma Bhushan and Padma Shri recipient Ram V. Sudhar. Thank you. Have a nice day.